I am and I am not. Politics, the whole political situation has got me all kind of like, it's just hot and bothered. It it's just amazing what the demons are doing. Like, it's just unbelievable. Like, it's unconscionable what these people are doing. But anyways, let them do what they do. It's similar to, I would say, an alcoholic, drug addict. That's the Democrats. They're like addicts. They're um they're addicted to chaos, and without chaos in in their lives, they don't feel alive because they got nothing else to offer. They got nothing good to offer. They got nothing good to say. So that's with them.